Charmaine and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this baby. I just purchased this and it was just delivered today. I purchased this HPN Signature Series 16 by 24 slide out drawer heat press from Heat Press Nation. And when I put it on my Facebook group, and one of the ladies, one of my members wanted me to show them how I unboxed it. So this is what this video is all about, how to unbox this. Well, I'm not going to show you how I unboxed it because it was so big, but I'm going to show you how, I'm going to see how it is after I turn it on, program it. And I'm also going to sublimate a shirt, okay, with this heat press today. Okay, so this mug was huge. It was very hard to get off the box because basically they had the heat press bolted down to a piece of wood, and then it had a piece of wood on top also. So I'll show you the pictures of that, but I just couldn't bring my camera around because it was just too much. I was trying to get that sucker out of that box. So I have pictures of that. I'm gonna show you that right now. And also, the only thing that was in this box was the handle. Okay, so I'm gonna put the handle right here. I didn't do anything yet. I didn't even turn it on yet. I just plugged it in. This little it's a metal handle. You got everything you need in that bag, and they gave you a little owner's manual. Okay, so let me show you how it looks. I'm gonna open it up real quick. And I like the way it lets up really nice. Let me show you real quick. I like that. It's like a gas shock. And this is how the top look. This is caution white hot surface, and it's Heat Press Nation. And it comes with this cover. I like this little cover. It's like a cotton stretchy type of cover that they cover it up with. And then it have like the heat press mat. Then you can just lift it up. Very sturdy. This is very, very sturdy, y'all. Like I said, it's about 150 pounds. Okay. And I bought this one because my other heat press, which was a 15 by 15, was too small for me. And I kept on burning myself. I kept on, when I put shirts in here, I just keep on burning my hands. As you can see, my knuckles are all messed up. I wanted this one because it slides out, okay? I love it. Okay, see how it slides out? Slides back in. I got all this room right here. Then I bring it all the way out and show you how far it slides out. So we still have a little bit of but it's all this space out here. You can be able to get your shirt together. Your whatever items you want to put on here, you can get together and push it back in. That's what I wanted it for. So I got this for myself, my Christmas gift. About close to $700. It's on sale because it's like over $700 if it wasn't on sale. So I had to give me one, y'all. And I wish I would have known that they came with wood because I'm gonna purchase some wood. Before I got this, I purchased some wood so it won't melt my plastic table, because this one was melt my plastic table. So I bought 2 pieces of wood from Home Depot, which is like about $4 or $5. If I would have known that this thing came with wood, I wouldn't have did this. So now y'all know, if y'all need wood to place your heat press on, do not buy it. And if you're buying if you're purchasing the 16 by 24, because it comes with 2 pieces of wood. And I'll show you a picture of that also. That's one piece of wood right there. This is the other piece of wood. It came with both of them. But this one, the 15 by 15, didn't come with a piece of wood. And this was melting my table. It was like just basically getting the table because it's too heavy. So now this basically this wood should help. And I also got some heat resistant fabric. Joann's fabric, okay? So let's go ahead and close this down. Okay? My first time turning it on. Let me show you how that looks over here. The little eyes is over here. I mean, little power button is right there. And also come with these other 2 buttons. I really can't see what that is. So I'm gonna just turn it on right here. Let me show you how it looks when I turn it on. Okay. It tells you right here in the manual different things. Let me show you this real quick. I'm gonna read it through. But this is the clamshell. And gauge 2 manual. It tell you how to do all this stuff. So what I'm gonna do is read through this, and I'm gonna go ahead and set it, and then I'll be back with after I set it. Then we're gonna test the pressure and test everything. Okay, when I come back. Okay, y'all, it was so easy to set this up. Okay, very, very easy. So what I did was I put it on 400 degrees for 60 seconds Fahrenheit. So 400 Fahrenheit, then I set the time for 60 seconds. As you can see, put it down right there. It says 400 and then the 60 right there on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a shirt. If you are not getting enough pressure with your heat press, this is basically how you see if you got enough pressure. So basically it said put the paper in, get just a regular copy paper, 8x10 copy paper, and you put it 2 inches inside of the heat press. And if you can tug this, oh, I ain't got dang all the way in, but if you can tug it on it and it won't move, that means you got a good pressure. Okay, you got good pressure. But if it does move, that means you just gotta tighten it up. Okay, you just gotta tighten it up. So that's what it's snug. So we're gonna check this out. And the only thing I had to do is put this little handle on there. I just screwed it in, and I can slide my drawer out with no problem. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the butcher paper down. And I'm gonna go ahead and press. I'm not gonna do a shirt today. I'm gonna just do a basic towel. I'm just gonna doing this for the tutorial video to show you how it's gonna look. But this is just a basic DollarTree towel from DollarTree. And I'm just going to try to see how this is going to work with that. Instead of doing a shirt, messing up a shirt, I'm going to try it on something cheap, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get the wrinkles out the shirt, the moisture and wrinkles out the towel. Let that go for a couple seconds. And I already got my image cut out. I'm just going to get this image I got off of Google. Okay. Just put this on the towel. I'm not going to use no tape or anything. I'm just going to put it on there like so. Okay. I might use tape just because. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the picture on there. Go ahead and put some tape on there. So it won't move. I'm gonna see have no problem. So I want to make sure I got enough pressure. We're gonna see how this works. It's gonna be I'm doing my first press with y'all, okay? Straighten this out. So I'm gonna keep this, go ahead and close it. And let it go for 60 seconds. If y'all like the content of my videos, like I said, this is just an unboxing. One of my members of my group wanted me to do this video. So if you want to join my group, it's called Brown Girls Craft with Cricket. We do a lot of different things in that group. I'm about to start another group because I also sell sublimation blanks. And I'm going to get into helping people with sublimation also. So I'm going to open another group probably this weekend. And I will post that link below this video. Check out my website when I have my sublimation blanks on right now. It's charminggalboutique.com. Check out my and I also have a Etsy page when it's called Charming Gal Boutique 2. Okay, so check those pages out. And if you want to design things that you see in my videos, let me design them for you. Okay, let's see. Why did it? Let's go ahead and see how this works. And I don't think it worked because my paper not hot enough. Yes, I made 2 big mistakes, y'all. First, I forgot to put the butcher paper on top. And I also forgot to wait for the heat press to get to 400 degrees. Duh, I've been so excited to get this thing working and I'm goofing up. So, yes, that's the problem. That's what the problem was. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It's ready. 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Let me tell y'all, it took this forever to heat up. Over 20 minutes. So hopefully that's just because it's a new press. But it took over 20 minutes. My heat press, my 15x15 didn't take long at all to warm up. But it is bigger, and it might need a little bit more power to heat up than the little small one, okay? So let's check it out. Let's see if my pressure is good for the first pressure. And look at that. Beautiful, y'all. Beautiful. Look at that. Yes, honey. I'm so happy I got this press for me for Christmas. I got this for myself for Christmas. I can't wait to yeah, that's beautiful. But I can't wait to use this for different things. Like basically I really wanted to use this for rugs. And I also want to try try to do the blankets with the panels on it, with the picture panels and stuff. So I can't wait to do those because this heat press is way too small to do those type of things. So I can't wait to do that with this big thing. So let me tell you what it is again. This is the Heat Press Nation Signature Series slide out drawer. Yeah, I'm not even used to it, y'all. See, I'm not even used to it. I didn't use the slide out part, but I'm gonna get used to it. But the reason why I got this, like I said before in the beginning of the video, I was using this and I was burning my hands. But plus, it's really hard to get your image on here. Like when you put the image on and you put it on the machine and try to get it straight, it's so hard to get that shirt straight and make sure everything is perfect in the center. It's so hard to do that. With this, it's much wider, and like I said, now I can bring it all the way out, and I'll be able to have room. Let me show you. Let me step back some. I'm gonna have room to be able to work on it, work with my shirts and my 4X's, my 3X's, and I have a lot of room instead of having on a little plate, on a little platform, on a little plate. I have this wide surface that I can really measure out and put my designs on there all at one time. And instead of doing one image at a time with my rugs, I can put both of the images on there now with my rugs, and then I can be able to sublimate them. So I am so excited about this, y'all. Continue. Look how clear that screen is. I'm gonna close it for a little while. But look how clear that is. You can see those numbers. They're so bright and big, so you better see them. So that's all I have for today. Let me show you my towel again. I did a few towels because I was messing around. Because first of all, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I had to tell you this, but the first time it didn't heat up. I thought it was heat up, but it wasn't heat up. But this is the first one I did. I do it twice because it wasn't heated up. You're not supposed to press. You're not supposed to press the sublimation twice, but I did, and it turned out beautiful. Okay, I pressed this twice. I looked at it wasn't done, so I waited for my heat press to get a little hotter because it wasn't it didn't reach the 400 like it's supposed to, and I didn't know that. Rushing, trying to do it, and then I did it again after it reached the 400, and it still looked good. Okay, so that worked. I sublimated it twice. Well, I heated it twice. I'm sorry. All right, that'll be all for this video. Let me know in your comments below. And thanks for watching. Till next time.